Anyone from Charlie 2? Got separated.
Look at the top right corner. That is my CPU screaming for mercy. I took a £110 office computer, designed for spreadsheets and emails, and I tried to force it to play Halo.
Denied. I'm not your damn accountant.
This is a Dell OptiPlex 7020. I bought it for one reason. I just wanted to code, make some games. It was supposed to just be a boring, reliable machine. But then I found Cursor. If you don't know, Cursor's an AI code editor. It's amazing, but it eats resources like crazy. I opened it up, but my humble little PC just didn't work. It was crashing, it was stalling, and it wasn't fun anymore. So, being completely and utterly rational, I panicked. I didn't just upgrade it, I went overboard. I threw in 32 gigabytes of RAM. That is server grade memory and £100 desktop. I grabbed a GTX 1650 so I could see what I was doing, and somehow, don't ask me how, a wizard managed to install Windows 11 on this unsupported hardware. On paper, I created a beast. In reality, I forgot one thing. The brain. The CPU. It's an i5 4590. It's trying its best. We booted up Halo 3, a game for 2007. You think a modern, upgraded PC could crush this? And look, when nothing is exploding, we're hitting 60 FPS. It looks alright. But the second anything really happens, boom, 100% CPU usage. The graphics card is bored, the RAM is barely awake, but the poor i5 is running a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. So, I clearly need to perform brain surgery on this thing. The i5 has to go. But, before I tell you what I've picked, pause the video, stick in a comment and tell me, if it was up to you, what would you put in it? Do I play it safe with the i7 4790, or should I try and hack in a Xeon server chip? Let's see if your answer matches what I actually bought. Every stutter you see isn't the game lagging, it's the computer's brain maxing out just trying to keep up with Windows 11 and the physics engine. So, can my XL PC play Halo? Technically yes, but if you want to actually enjoy it, we need to perform brain surgery. One of my next videos, we aren't just going to be swapping parts, we're going to be ripping out the i5 and dropping in a legendary i7 4790.